If you don't know anything about animation or don't have the time to dedicate to it, these two sites can save you and speed up your work. On one hand, I'll show you two useful sites, and on the other hand, this is a kind of comparison video. Hey motion designer friend, this video is for you. Now, the name of our first site is Hera. This site is a completely AI-powered motion design site. There are dozens of templates you can use and edit here, or you can create new animations by writing prompts. The site has dozens of animations in ready-made infographics, logos, text, social media, ads, and other areas. For example, if an animation might be useful for you, select the template and then click the Remix button. Let's say you chose such an infographic animation. If you want to change the text here, double-click on the text and then write any text you want. Or you can change the map style appropriately from here. Download settings are also very simple. The free version allows you to download the animation in 1080p resolution as an MP4 file at 30 frames per second. The second site is called AutoAE. It has a large selection of templates you can use. Here, creators design and share templates. For example, you can choose all the templates, select categories, visual styles, orientations, or choose the work of your preferred creator. Most importantly, you can choose the free templates and customize them as you wish. For instance, you can select a template, click the Customize button, and easily change what you want. You can change the text and background you see in the animation from the panel on the left to make it suitable for your project. Both sites have very good and useful templates. As I mentioned at the beginning, if you have little time or are looking for ready-made templates, the free versions of these two sites will be very useful. On the other hand, if you have a lot of time or the person you are working with wants custom animations, these kinds of templates can cause problems. Therefore, if you are asked for custom work, you should not use templates. Otherwise, you can use them as much as you want. If you ask my opinion, I don't really like using templates. I prepare a suitable work according to the client's requests. You can also use artificial intelligence, there's nothing wrong with that. But my preference is always for After Effects. That's my opinion. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments.